Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. Haven't done one of these in a while. It's just been a little crazy, but this week you may have noticed I have not been posting any vlogs, and that is because I was full force trying to focus on sticker related stuff. So I'm happy to let you guys know that I have reformatted stuff and I have 3 new collections coming out. So let's just jump in so you guys can see everything that's available in the shop now. It is currently on Shopify, but I don't have it up on Etsy just yet. I'm gonna try to do that real quick before I go out of town tonight, but if not, it will be on Etsy sometime on Monday. So if you're an Etsy shopper, have no fear, it will be up on Etsy eventually, but it might not be up when you're watching this on Friday when I put this up. So yeah, all right, let's get into it. All right guys, so I'm so excited to show you guys what is going on with the kits. I've changed the format, I've changed the way we're doing things, and I hope that you guys like the changes and aren't too upset with them. So first things first is that we have the full kit, and I'm just doing one sized kit, but have no fear, if you're a mini kit user, I have got the option for you, so don't worry. So this is what the full kit is. So the main thing that changed on this sheet was I added some of these little skinny labels. Then on this kit I changed up the font. I know you can't really tell because these colors are super light on camera, but I changed up the font and I took some of the icons like out of like laundry day, coffee date. I took the little icon out. So there was just a couple changes there. And then I also changed the hearts in our heart checklist. Then on this sheet, I took out a ton of the labels. I only include to do and then a work and next week label. We have these like little like heart label, I don't even know what we'd call those, some quarter boxes and some half boxes. And like I said, it's super coming off light on camera. And I apologize for that. Also, the lighting's really not helping, but you guys will see the new changes in the other kits that I'm going to show you guys. But this is just a super, you can see it in person, but it's not picking up well on camera. So I apologize. We have some scallop labels on this one, some habit trackers, skinny labels, some bill due, currently reading, these like quarter checklists or half checklists, whatever you want to call them, some date covers and date dots. And then we have our ombre heart checklist and some more little skinny labels. And then I'm really excited about this change, you guys. So we have our bottom washi and then the glitter headers. The glitter headers now come in the kit, which I'm really excited about. And I know some people were saying they use glitter headers, some people were saying regular headers. I tried to really take into consideration everyone and what they were using. And obviously I can't please everyone, but I really, really hope that this change, I really hope it's more of a positive than a negative for you guys. So the other thing is that any kits that have like the little girls in the box, I include an add-on where you can add this on if you want, you know, one of the other girls. So that's that. Like I said, this is the only kit that we have in the shop. However, trying something new out. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I am trying a la carte options. So you can get any of these sheets in the kit like separately. It's gonna be more than if you bundle everything together, but if you're the type of person that only uses full box like stuff, then you could just purchase this and be done with it. Or if you needed like 2 sheets, you know, let's say you're planning in a smaller planner that's not an Erin Condren, you could get 2 sheets. You could just kind of mix and match however you wanted, and I really feel like that's just gonna work best for everyone because I could not come up with a good mini kit format. I felt like I was leaving stuff out and I didn't want to leave anything out for you guys. I wanted everybody to be able to get what they wanted, and I just felt like this was the perfect way because you can either get it bundled, so if you're a full kit user, you've got everything, or if you're a mini kit user, you can literally pick and choose, and maybe you want 5 of the 6 sheets, or maybe you want, you know, 2 of them, or you can mix and match and do whatever, and I just think that's the best option. So I hope that works for everybody. I hope you guys like that. So that is our like full kit, Erin Condren Happy Planner size kit. I apologize if these lines are like crooked, I don't know. Okay, anyway, moving on to the next thing, which I'm really excited about as well, but this is our like print impression weeks, like personal size planner type of kit. This is not going to be a la carte. This is going to be a bundle only, but I can't wait to show you guys the layout in my print impression weeks. I'll show you guys that in a minute, but we have some like full boxes. They're obviously not like the big ones because you don't want to take up your entire day with your PP weeks. Then you have some bill due, a little habit tracker, some dates. You don't get the date dots with this, but you still get like the date cover-ups. And then you have some little labels. You have this sheet, which just has some smaller checklists. That's really mainly the biggest change. And because of that, I was able to move the movie night up and add some little labels down here. This sheet is exactly the same as the regular kit, like nothing changed on that. And then this one has your bottom washi for your PP weeks, a sidebar tracker, some scallop labels, some of these little checklists, and then your glitter headers as well. Like I said, this is just gonna be a bundle. It's not gonna be a la carte. I went back and forth with thinking about a la carte options, but I just decided to make this a bundle. That doesn't mean that in the future it won't be. I'm just kind of playing around, seeing what works and reevaluating things for next year. So if you guys want to see it as a la carte, like definitely let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your guys' feedback. I want to know what you guys want to see, but for right now, I'm not going to do a la carte. But like I said, that may change depending on feedback I get and everything. This one also has your little add-ons because it has the girls in them. So you can purchase that as a separate thing. And then lastly, we just have our Hobo Weeks kit, which did not change format at all. Like it is all still the exact same. Nothing changed with this. I might reformat this in the future, but right now I'm pretty happy with how this kit looks. So I just decided to keep it the exact same. So we have 2 New Year's Eve collections coming to the shop this week, and I'm so excited about them. This one, you've seen the clip art because it is in the January monthly kit, one of them. And so like I said, we just have the add-on girls you can purchase separately. You have your full boxes. That's what this one looks like. It just says Happy New Year 2020. Then you have your functional sheet. I don't know if you guys can really tell. That's kind of what changed with this sheet. I really, really like it. Then you have, you know, your date covers, what am I trying to say? Labels, habit trackers, bill due, currently reading, that sort of thing. Also, I feel like I'm out of frame and I'm so sorry. I'm trying so hard to like get this video done because I have to leave in a little bit and I'm gonna be out of town all week and I just need to get it all done. So this one has, you know, your labels and your half boxes, your quarter boxes, your headers. And then we have your ombre heart checklists and washi and glitter. And again, this is bundled in this kit. This is always separate. It's not bundled in the kit, but the 6 pages are bundled in the kit, but you can also purchase them separately for a little bit more per sheet than what you would pay if you had it bundled. Then of course we have the PP weeks, as I like to call it. So you have your little add-on girls, you have your full boxes, date covers, bill due, habit tracker. Ooh. You've got your functional sheet. This is the exact same in the other page, but it's just your boxes, labels and such. Washi, ombre, like tracker, glitter, you know, all of that stuff. And this one is just a bundle with this being an add-on option. And of course we have the Hobo Weeks to match. So that is what this looks like. Like I said, it's still just the same format, same fonts, same everything. Nothing changed with this kit. Moving on to the last collection, and this one is my absolute favorite. I love this one. This one is called Midnight. These are the full boxes, and the box just says Kiss Me at Midnight, which I love. And then I love the colors of this kit. So here's the functional page. You have your headers and labels page, date covers, scallops, Build Do habit trackers, ombre heart checklists, and then your washi and your glitter headers. Again, bundled or a la carte option. This one didn't have different options for the girls, so that's why there's no like girl like add-on option, just because this one, like, this was literally pretty much the only thing that came in the clip art, so I didn't need to have additional stuff. But yeah, I love this one. This is the one I'm going to be using. Moving on to the PP Weeks one, you just have your full boxes, Build Do, habit tracker, date covers, skinny labels, your functional sheet, your headers and labels and half boxes, and then washi, glitter, ombre heart checklist, sidebar stuff. And this one is just bundled as is, no a la carte option for this right now. And lastly, we have the Hobonichi Weeks kit, which again, nothing changed in this format. So it's just still formatted the same, just different clip art. Okay guys, so that is it for all of our new releases this week. If you like them, make sure to give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I'm gonna have a discount code for you guys. This is on Shopify only, so only on our website. You can save some money. Also, if you like planner stickers and seeing behind the scenes of how they are made, make sure you click that subscribe button along with the bell notification. And when you click the bell notification, make sure you have all checked, so that way you never miss a video from me. But that is it for today's new release video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Rock